Hello, everybody. Good morning. The next thing, very important, today's session is on joint health. So, joint pain and joint health. So, preventive and curative. What are all the joints? So, joints are everywhere, right? From finger joints to wrist joints to elbow joints to shoulder joints to neck joint to hip joint to knee joint to ankle joint to toes, everything, right? These are joints. They are at the end of your bones to reduce friction of the joints. But let's begin, all right? And now just bend the knees and let's come into happy baby pose. You bend the knees, you can hold anywhere on the leg, the ankle, or the foot, and push. And just rock left and right. One, two, three, 5, 6. Roll over. And today's Shavasana, I'm going to teach you what you have to do. You're going to take 2 of your pillows or bolster, right? If you want lesser traction, you can get lesser pillows, but I think this much is good. And you're going to place your hip, your pelvic bones here, and then just take your legs back and just drop. So your spine should be moving down. You shouldn't be here where it's coming up. The spine needs to fall down behind. It needs to just drop. So the cushion is pressing into your organs, into your pelvis, and your lower back should feel a nice traction. You should feel a nice pull. And just relax here. Close your eyes and get ready to just relax all the joints in your body. It's very, very important to relax them. Rolling over to one side. Bring your hands in Namaste. I'm going to chant 1 Om and 3 Shantis. So take a deep breath in. Shanti. 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 Rub your hands together. And gently place them all over. Namaste everyone. Thank you for being here, for taking care of yourself, of your body, of your mind, that you can take care of everyone that comes in your space. Taking care of yourself means you're taking care of your family, You're taking care of everyone you meet and interact with. Namaste. If you have any questions, let me know. How are you feeling? I hope you're feeling all relaxed. Don't want to disturb your mental space too much now. We've created something. Enjoy the rest of the day. Feel how you're moving, how your movement is happening today. How is your flexibility, mobility? Yes, Maisha. So we have to try to work on core. We will be doing core exercises as well. And most of us here have weak backs. So all of this is for weak back. You'll notice that you feel much better, but you also need to work on your core. And that's going to be one of the exercises.